Hello and good morning. I'm meteorologist Sean McAdee. We are tracking some fog this morning. Dense fog advisory still out for parts of North Iowa, and we are seeing dense fog elsewhere, I should say. Reason they haven't issued advisories because it's kind of dissipating quickly, and it will soon continue to do so as temperatures rapidly rise into the mid to upper 20s. It's not going to be too much temperatures for that fog because the fog is coming as temperatures have cooled rapidly overnight, squeezing out whatever's moisture left in the form of fog. But then as temperatures rise, that fog just burns away. The fog will lift up into clouds for the afternoon. I'll talk more about that in a second. But also what we're tracking is flakes tonight and tomorrow. We could see some snow. Some of that could accumulate. Pretty similar kind of system swings on through on Friday. Another minor accumulation event. And then, oh yeah, it's going to be cold this weekend, next week. Yikes. Hey, remember how cold it was at the end of December about a month ago, like Christmas, just after Christmas? Yeah, we're doing that again. Mostly sunny skies this morning above the fog. So when the fog clears, you should briefly see some sunshine, and then that fog will probably recondense as clouds in the mid to upper 20s. For the afternoon, by around sunset, you could be looking at a couple of snowflakes. Here's how it plays out in Sky Tracker 3. A couple of snowflakes here and there, not too much by the evening hours. Then early tomorrow morning, look, now we're tracking scattered snow showers across the region through the day tomorrow. None of it is ever too heavy. At times, maybe it's briefly heavier, but for the most part, these are just flurries. Now, as we work into our computer model of how much could fall, you can see it's not a whole lot. Most of us probably looking at about an inch or just less. I would say if I had to throw a dart, it would be half an inch to an inch. That's pretty much what my forecast has said. But we're going to say trace amounts to an inch. Most people will see a little bit of snow. Minor accumulation, maybe some briefly ice slick roads, but not much more than that. Maybe a couple folks would see up to 2 inches, but again, most of us are seeing that trace to 1 inch amount. Pretty much the same thing on Friday. Thursday will be a little bit cooler, partly cloudy skies. Thursday, 32 degrees warmer. You could briefly see some melting, not much. That's not good for ice fishing. What is good for ice fishing, those very cold temps. And holy cow, are we going to do that? Tomorrow, good day for ice fishing. Again, snow showers, so we'll be snowing. But at least it'll be cold. And if you like cold, look at this. Okay, so here we have Friday. Cold front swings through. Saturday, Arctic blast returns. For the weekend and next week, at times, these are actual temps, not wind chills. At times, we're down to 10 or more below. Here's a look at the temperatures, the high temperatures, I should say, day to day. This is about 10 days out. Looks like it could be well below zero. So next week will be very cold. If you want to have some winter fun, do it over the next couple of days before that arrives.